Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends that have joined us for today's video. And today's video is going to be a short video. There's not going to be any example code with this one. We're just going to read the manual and talk about what it says a little bit, maybe. And then that's going to be it for today. And then we'll move on to the next video. But what this bit is about is how you, as a programmer, can raise your own exceptions. Okay, which is real handy for tracking what's going on in the program and making sure that the data that you're using is the data that you need to use. Because sometimes the machine doesn't stop running even though it's got bad data. And like we used to say in the old days, bad data in, bad data out. Okay? All right. Enough of that chit chat. Let's go ahead and get this reading started.
Python TV51. Raising exceptions. The raise statement allows the programmer to force a specified exception to occur. For example, raise name error, hi there. Traceback, most recent call last. File, stin, line 1, in module. Name error, hi there.
All right, you see that? See how that works? The raise. Then here's remember the hierarchy? All the different types? You use that error, and then here's your little message. Remember how at the end it had a little message? Well, now you get to write whatever you want. Yeah. All right, let's keep going.
The sole argument to raise indicates the exception to be raised. This must be either an exception instance or an exception class, a class that derives from exception. If an exception class is passed, it will be implicitly instantiated by calling its constructor with no arguments.
Okay, we're going to be talking about classes in the next batch of videos. Right now, we're still doing the syntax errors and exceptions. I think we have 3 or 4 more videos to do in this. And then we're going to do in the classes. And then that little bit that we just read will make more sense. And then you might want to come back and rewatch this section of video. Anyway, let's keep going.
If you need to determine whether an exception was raised but don't intend to handle it, a simpler form of the raise statement allows you to re-raise the exception. Try. Raise name error, hi there. Accept name error. Print, an exception flew by. Raise. An exception.
All right, here we go. So, what I want you to notice about this output is where the text appears that you put in here. Okay, so inside the try and exception, right, where this was supposed to be raised, okay, it says, hi there. You put that in there, okay? Then it pops out, and I guess it did trigger the exception, right? So you're going to frickin' make sure it gets triggered, and then you go, an exception flew by. Oh, we missed it. It didn't frickin' raise the exception. So this shows up here, and this shows up there. All right? Okay. And hey, if you're still confused, don't sweat it. As things go on, things will start to click. Okay? And you can always go back and re-watch the video or reread the code. And I'm going to go and create a Discord channel. And I'm going to start having offers hours like every Tuesday and Thursday between 2 and 2:30. And I'm also going to create a email account so that you can get in touch with me, and then also that I can maybe send you like the document here that we're looking at now and some of the sample codes. Anyway, with that, Princess, go out. Try not to get in too much trouble. Don't get kicked by any horses. All right? All right. See you in the next video.